Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Beijing Normal University CSE Scholarship 2021 and 2022. So type in Google Beijing Normal University CSE Guide and click on this one second link. After that, here is the detail. Here is the detail about Beijing Normal University CSE Scholarship 2021 and 2022. So authority is Chinese government scholarship. Chinese university named Beijing Normal University BNU. This is for master and PhD students, and scholarship type is fully funded, 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD students. Online apply and need send hard copies, and you need to send hard copies to the university mailing address. So here is the application period from November 15th 2020 to January 15th 2020, and the second period is from February 21st to 2021 to April 30th. Means both for September intake, not for March intake, but they divide into two periods. Okay, so eligibility criteria, and all international students can apply. Okay, and age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. IELTS is not mandatory. You can apply with English proficiency certificate. Check the major list. Here is the major list for master programs and for PhD program as well. Here is, click here to download the PDF form. Okay, so how to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSE online application form. Here is the link. Okay, and after that you need to fill university online application form. Click here to fill. And how you fill CSE online application form, here is the detail, and how you fill university online application form, it's also same like other universities. Okay, so you need to pay 600 RMB application fee, means $100 registration fee. It should be paid online or by the union pay card during application. Result will be announced at the end of July 2nd. Send required documents to university email address. Here is the email address, to university mailing address. Here is the address. Here is the mailing address of the university. Okay, applicant should mail or submit the paper documents as soon as passing initial review to ensure the material are delivered on time, and it is recommended to use, and they suggest you use these services like EMS or Shangfeng Express, for SF Express. Okay, for mailing address with China you use to, and you if you are international user, then use EMS, DHL, FedEx or UPS for mailing outside China. Okay, so mail, you can mail Chinese dot here, and you should mail send your documents via email as well on this email if your major is in English. Okay, so now which documents are they required? CSE form and university online application form, and copies of your highest notarized copy, degree, and highest transcript, and BNU personal statement. Click here to download master and download the personal statement format for master and PhD students. Okay, so okay, now the two recommendation letter photocopies, 2 photocopies of applicant's passport information page, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, and for Chinese taught HSK is must. Okay, acceptance letter is optional, and other documents like academic papers, patents, and other academic achievements, CV, resume, and original photocopies. Okay, Pakistan applicants, please check Pakistani applicants to check requirement here. So click here to check the requirement. Pakistani students must check the requirement of this for this university. Okay, now here is the detail about Pakistani students. For Pakistani students, for bachelor 2 years plus master 2 years and bachelor 4 years. Okay, BA, MA, and may other kind of diploma are not included in 16 years. Means you have to, if you want to apply for master degree, then you must have 16 years of education, and if you apply for PhD degree, then you must have 18 years of education. Okay, so here is the detail about the you can also check the official advertisement of this university, and click here the official advertisement. Okay, here is the detail. Here is also detail. You can check Beijing government scholarship as well. Okay, and now here is the detail about all these things if you want to get information. Chinese government scholarship and for master year. Okay, and the quota for this scholarship, Beijing government scholarship quota 25 seats and 30 seats for master, and for in Beijing government scholarship they cover just tuition fee and all these things. I think they provide you 5,000 RMB per year. And for CSE, as you know, everyone knows the 3000 RMB for every students, for master students, and for PhD students for 30,500 RMB per month. So you can check all these things. Here's the detail about that thing, and you must know statement of guarantee here. This is for this is not for scholarship candidates. This is for self-sponsored students. Okay, now hope so everything you can get everything about this university. And now I want to click on this portal. Maybe it's working or not. So apply.bnu.edu.cn here. Okay, no problem, it's working properly. So you must fill your university online application form here. Okay, how you fill this form, I'll give the link in description. And after this video, I put the detail of the I put the link of those videos how you fill online application form for BNU. Good luck and take care of yourself.